Hello, in this video I want to show 3 tips and tricks about selection into HyperMesh 2023. The first one is about the keyboard shortcut. So if I go back to All, I can click on C to go to component, for example. So I select this part, but I can change the entities that I want to select. For example, I want to switch to elements. On this component, I can click on E on my keyboard, so you can see the elements are selected, and you can see the value, the amount of elements. And I can click on N, like nodes, to go to nodes selection. So just to help you, you can see the shortcut is the first letter. It's underlined. So it was my first tips. The second one is the usage of the Alt button. I can show you that if I go to select, configure Alt plus select, we have different quick advanced selection. So for example, for nodes it's bypass, and for elements is by face. So you can change it. So you have this way to do that. Or you can click on the comma in your keyboards, and you can select also the configuration for the Alt button. So let's see what it does for nodes. So I click on Alt on my keyboards, and I can select, and as you can see, it's a pass option. Okay. If I switch to elements with a E, I can, for example, go there and Alt, and as you can see, all my faces is selected. It was my second tips, and the last one, it's one that is on our tool since for a long time, but sometimes people are not aware of that. If you do, for example, a box like that, you will select this element and also this one. For example, you just want to select this first plane, if I can say. So you need to do right click and select this option, select only visible. If I go back and do like this, I can do my box, and as you can see now, just what is visible is selected. So that's it for me. So the first one was to select to use the shortcuts in the entity filters and to change the type of entities that we want to select. The second one was the configuration of the Alt selection to have quick advanced selection. And the last one, the third one, was the selection of only visible entities. Thank you, bye!